Hi, I'm Jen, and I have to share my experience with Dreena Burton's Fascia FLO program. I have a rare and degenerative condition, and a year ago when I was meeting with my doctor, I described the pain that I had throughout my body, but particularly my back, legs, and feet, as excruciating. And she said to me, "The pain you have will only get worse and never better from this point forward." I was so discouraged and felt so hopeless. I've worked in the plant-based nutrition field for over 20 years, and I've known Dreena Burton as an incredible cookbook author. So when I saw that she was offering Fascia FLO, I had to try it. My friends, this is by far the best thing that I did for myself and my wellness in 2023. I do the program almost every single day. The way that it has improved my body, I can't even tell you. Most days I have about 80% less pain than I had before. And in fact, there are days that I have no pain at all. I still can't believe I can say that. This program has not only changed my life, it has given me my life back. I can do things that I didn't think I was going to be able to do anymore. I can walk for miles, I can go up and down the stairs, I can keep up with my family and do the hobbies that I love so much. It has truly given me my life back. If you are somebody who lives with chronic pain and stiffness from arthritis or other chronic inflammatory conditions, I cannot encourage you enough to try Fascia FLO and do it several times a week or every day if you can. It will make such a difference in your life the way it has mine. It has given me my life back, and I can never thank Dreena enough for that. She is such a gifted teacher. The attention that she gives to her students and her knowledge and experience and the way that she teaches is just, it's absolutely second to none. She is the best, and I adore her, and I am so grateful for this program. Please, please give it a try. You have nothing to lose but pain.